Hi there and welcome back. Today's work will be mostly on the outside of the tiny house because I have to replace the old rotten gutter from the backside to make the house wintertight with all the rain and snow to come. So let's get started. As you can see, the old gutter has completely rotten away, and you can even see the sky through the old gutter. So I hope I can reuse these these gutter hangers, because they seem to be alright. It's only the gutter itself that's rotten, so fingers crossed that I can reuse them. This is how the old gutter looks. It's completely rotten, and this will be replaced by a vinyl gutter, and I've all the parts here, and it's a plug fit system, so I will try to fit it. This is the new vinyl gutter, and it's a push fit system, so it should be very easy to assemble, but let's see. As you can see, everything seems to be quite easy to assemble. Here, for example, those end pieces, you just click them and then okay, it's not that easy, and then you just lock it and everything is fixed. That's great. It's a new day with new enthusiasm, and now I've got to install the downspout. So until now everything was quite easy because it's just a click system and you just have to click everything together, as you can see, and that was pretty easy. But now the tricky part begins, because I have to hang the whole vinyl gutter into this drip edge here. So once you've got everything in position, it's quite easy. You just have to bend over these lashes here to fix everything into the gutter hangers. The next step is to drill a hole here into the gutter to connect it to the downspout. After all the struggle, the new vinyl gutter of course had to pass a stress test, and I'm pretty happy to say that everything went pretty well. The water flows, the pitch seems to be right, and the water flows in the perfect speed, not too quick, not too slow, so everything is perfect. All in all, it took 4 to 5 hours to replace the old gutter with the new vinyl gutter, and I think it is definitely a doable DIY job, but I strongly recommend to have a second person helping you because it makes things much easier.